Step into your channel once again. All my viewers, it's a Square Maths YouTube channel. This is your Santosh. Okay, now IIT JEE Mains Part 5. So far we completed 4 parts. It has been asked in JEE Mains 2019 11 January first shift. So what is our question now? If one of real root of 81 x square plus kx plus 256 is equal to 0 is a cube of other root, then a value of k. So they are asking the value of k. The condition is here one root is cube of the other. Okay, let us start now. So this is a problem falls under quadratic equation, and it is a quadratic equation in the variable x, and the unknown is k here. That k we have to determine under the options. Okay, so let here our 81x square plus kx plus 256 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is our quadratic equation 1. Let alpha be a root of 1. Then according to our data, one real root of this one is cube of the other root. Okay, let alpha be a root of 1, then other root is alpha cube. Okay, so this type of problems are most important. Don't be scared by seeing the question, and links are given under the description. Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 IIT JEE Mains. Okay, various questions from various chapters. Go through it, get the best knowledge. Now here we know that sum of the roots is nothing but minus b by a, and product of the roots is c by a. Let us apply here. So therefore now sum of the roots is alpha plus alpha cube. Okay, so this implies I can write alpha plus alpha cube is nothing but here minus b by a. So I can write minus k by 81. So mark as equation 1. Okay, since I can write that alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Next, also product of the roots is alpha into alpha cube. So this is given as now a power m into a power n plus n. I can write here alpha power 1 plus 3 is equal to here c by a, nothing but here 256 by 81. From this I can write now alpha power 4 is nothing but here this 256 by 81. I can write it as 4 power 4 by 3 power 4, implies our alpha power 4 is 4 by 3 whole power 4. So mark as equation number 2, second equation. Okay, so up to here according to your basic knowledge we have done. So let us go through how we got these steps. Nothing but here sum of the roots alpha plus beta is minus b by a for the standard form of quadratic equation. Okay, nothing but if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, then sum of the roots. Also here product of the roots is c by a. So this sum of the roots and this is the product of the roots, where our beta is nothing but alpha cube. Okay, from this we have to determine the value of nothing but k value. Let us proceed now. So these are the various steps. So from this I'll get here alpha is equal to, since the exponents are same then the bases also same. So I can write now alpha is equal to 4 by 3 from this step. Okay, and equation 1 implies 1 I can write here alpha plus alpha cube is nothing but minus k by 81, so that I can take alpha as common. Okay, 1 plus alpha square is equal to minus k by 81. So mark as equation number 3. This third equation we are using in this here, nothing but 4 by 3 into 1 plus 4 by 3 the whole square is equal to minus k by 81. So basic steps up to here, basic knowledge of quadratic equations, sum of the roots and product of the roots. Here basic calculations. Okay, simplification here to get the value of k. So here I can write now 4 by 3 into 1 plus 16 by 9 is equal to minus k by 81. Next step, 4 by 3 into 9 plus 16 by is equal 1 plus 16 by 9 is equal to minus k by 81. So here 4 into 25 by here it is 27 is equal to minus k by 81. Once and here it is thrice. Okay. If you do cross multiplication, you are going to get nothing but from here to here it is a linear equation, one variable, you know how to solve. Nothing but here I can write 100 into 3 is equal to minus k. So finally k value is nothing but minus 300. Okay. So finally I got the value of k as minus 300. And this is important role here. After getting the alpha, I substituted here by 3. And according to our options, what are the various options given here? Nothing but ABCD from the ABCD options. D option suits good, nothing but minus 300. So then a value, one value of it is nothing but minus 300. So if one of real root of this one is cube of other root. So this is alpha means this is alpha cube according to our data, and these are basic steps. Okay, so like this we can proceed. So don't be panicked by seeing the question, and we also have the various problems, NTSC, Olympiads, IIT mains, etc. for various topics in the playlist also. You can go through it. Please, after watching the video, like, share, subscribe and comment our Aspire Maths YouTube channel once you look it. Signing out, this is Santosh. Catch you later.